In front of me is our Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Notifications and Status Bar. Now scroll again, this time to tap on Manage All under Notifications. And use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them, or grey ones to turn them back on. Quick tip, you can also go back, select your app from here, and not only enable or disable notifications, thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications, but also check out all of those other notification settings for a chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!